Hi, this is Amy with MoxieDori. Today we're going to make a DIY party invitation. Today we're going to use the bat stencil, a half sheet of paper, some distressed inks, and some Crayola super tips. I'm going to just use the design that's already on the stencil that's ready to go. I'm going to apply the distressed inks lightly so that when I write my information from our party over it, it's easily read. So I'll just take the dauber, and I used Fossilized Amber for the moon. I'll use Hickory Smoke for the clouds and black ink for the bats. I'm going to just stick with how the stencil has everything laid out. I like it, it's easy, and I'm going to have the kids help me finish the other invitations. It just seems very personalized. A lot of times you'll get an evite or a pre-made invite, and this just feels really fun to me. So there's the background scene, and then I'm going to take a purple Crayola super tip marker, write down the information. No stress, just write out Halloween party, when and where, and then RSVP. Again, just really fun and easy. And you can do it with the bat stencil. Have a great party!